Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday. Let's get started. Alrighty folks, here's some leftover mashed potatoes. Here's a cup of flour, we may not use all of it. Here's an egg, and here's some cheese. That'll be for our tater cakes. Here we've got chicken thighs, boneless. And here's some honey. And here's some seasoning. We've never tried this seasoning before, but we'll let you know how it is. And Dr. Pepper. This here we're going to be making today is Dr. Pepper and honey chicken. And of course over here is the stuff for our tater cakes. Let's get started. Okay folks. Now all we're going to be doing, we're going to be frying this chicken up here. Cooking it right on top of the stove. Alrighty. Throw that chicken in there, Doug. There's a little spot. Alright. Now we're just going to have this on here fried. Now just pour your seasoning on. Shake it on really good there. Put a heavy coat. Use whatever seasoning you'd like, folks. Like I said, always say, make this yours. This is just giving you some ideas. Alrighty, all we did, we just poured some honey down in there. And now we're going to pour some Dr. Pepper in there. Never tried this chicken before, folks. We'll let you know if it's any good or not. Alrighty. Now turn that on. Warm it up a little bit. Alrighty, we put one egg down in there. I didn't measure out how much taters we had left. We'll just do this by sight. Now we're going to drop in a little bit of cheese. Folks, you make this however you want to. This is just a basic tater cake recipe. Just putting a little bit of cheese in there. Now, let's go ahead and put some flour. Like I said, we're starting off with 1 cup. And we'll go from there. We just need the word to hold together to where we can pad out some tater cakes. We're going to go ahead and add some more flour. It may take the whole cup, or it may take even some more. I don't know. That just depends on the consistency of your taters. We'll get back to check on that chicken in just a minute. Let's go ahead and add the rest of that flour. Alright. And then, of course, just salt and pepper to your liking. We added a little bit more flour to that. You go, Doug. Look at you there. Just put you some oil in a skillet. Get ready to start deep frying these here. They're not the prettiest shapes in the world, folks. But we're really not too concerned about that there. Put these in. I'm guessing probably 4 or 5 minutes per side. That's after 5 minutes on the one side. Now we're going to cook it for another 5 minutes on the other side. Alrighty folks, here's our tater cakes. And over here is our chicken. Now I turned the temperature up to where it's sort of caramelized around the chicken. And also I added 1 teaspoon of soy sauce to it. We'll see here in just a few minutes if it's any good or not. We'll let you know. Alrighty folks, here's our plate. We'll let you know shortly if it's any good or not. Like I said, this is the first time I ever tried fixing chicken like this. It sounded good in my head, but I have had stuff sound good in my head before and it didn't turn out worth a hoot. So we'll let you know shortly. Folks, everything tasted great. The only thing different, I'd add some more cheese into the tater cakes. Everything else turned out good. Now folks, you all are seeing this on Wednesday. Today is Tuesday, the 5th. Today is Daniel's birthday. If you get a chance, wish him a happy birthday. You all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching. We'll be seeing you soon.